Turmeric has been very well hailed as a superfood in different cultures across the world, and the one drink that wins the race is turmeric milk, also called as golden milk. There are hundreds of videos out there that talk about the benefits of golden milk, the various recipes of the drink and its highlights. But there are almost none that talks about the other side of the coin, like things to consider before you start taking turmeric milk regularly, its possible side effects in case of overdosage, and health condition in which you should probably avoid this drink. In this video, we will cover exactly that. Make sure you stay till the end, as we also will uncover a major adulteration practice used by turmeric traders and ways to detect the purity of the spice. So let's get started. Number 1. Avoid turmeric in any form if you have bleeding disorders. We don't want to sound alarming, but turmeric has been found to slow down blood clotting, and this can increase the risk of bruising and bleeding in those who have bleeding disorders. Turmeric could also interact with certain medications to cause excessive bleeding. So, if you are on any form of medication for bleeding disorders, we recommend you not to take turmeric milk. Number 2. Avoid turmeric in any form if you are suffering from gallstones and gallbladder issues. Turmeric contains a high amount of substance called oxalate, a compound that can increase the risk of developing gallstones. According to a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, urine showed increased level of oxalate when the subjects had taken turmeric when compared to a control group. Increased gallbladder contraction were also reported when turmeric supplements of 20 to 40 milligrams were taken. Not to freak you out, but these oxalates can also bind to calcium to form calcium oxalate, which is insoluble and will mainly be responsible for kidney stones. So if you have gallbladder issues or kidney stones, it's best to avoid turmeric supplements or drink like golden milk. Number 3. Moderate your turmeric intake if you have low blood pressure conditions. Blood pressure that is too low can be dangerous. Studies have shown high doses of turmeric can lower blood pressure. So, if you are taking medication to lower your blood pressure, you need to be very careful while taking turmeric or turmeric milk regularly. Number 4. Avoid excessive intake of turmeric with blood thinning medication. The curcumin in turmeric has been shown to reduce blood platelet functions and should in all possibility be avoided for those taking blood thinning medication such as warfarin or Coumadin. Number 5. Interaction with medication. Turmeric in any form can have strong interactions with medicines for health condition. If you are treating yourself with any of the below medication, we would strongly recommend to moderate or avoid turmeric supplements or golden milk intake. Medications like warfarin, clopidogrel, aspirin, cimetidine, famotidine, ranitidine, esomeprazole, omeprazole, and lansoprazole. Number 6. Adulteration in turmeric. According to a research done by Stanford Woods Institute for the Environment, it was found that turmeric available in the market today have high concentration of lead chromate and methanol yellow. Lead chromate is a yellow pigment that can enhance the brightness of a substance, but it is also poisonous, acting as a neurotoxin when humans ingest it. The study says that consumers desire to have bright and colorful yellow curries. This seems to be a primary driver of this practice. Farmers stated that turmeric merchants are able to sell poor quality roots and increase profit margin by requesting the adulteration of that poor quality turmeric with yellow pigment. They have also found evidence of lead chromate adulteration at 7 out of 9 of the major turmeric producing units, and noted that 2 to 10% of yellow pigments at the polishing mills contain lead chromate. In short, regularly consuming turmeric milk, like any other lifestyle changes, should be done after understanding its negative side effects as well. We are not saying that turmeric milk is bad for anybody. In fact, this drink has far more benefits than side effects. But one should be aware of both the sides before taking any decision. That is the goal of this video, to make you aware of the less spoken side of the golden milk. Hope you enjoyed our video. I'm not going to ask you to like, comment or subscribe to our channel, because if you find our content interesting, we know you will. But hey, do remember our channel name Healthy Morning Habits and our website healthymorninghabits.com. Till our next video, stay happy, stay healthy and stay motivated.